Welcome back to Gear Choice Channel. Introducing the latest innovation in children's bikes, the new 250W24 V12-inch children no-pedal bicycle, electric-powered kids baby self-mini balance bike. Crafted with precision and care, this electric balance bike is perfect for children aged 2 to 6 years old. With its lightweight aluminum alloy frame and magnesium alloy fork, it's not just durable, it's designed to last. Equipped with a powerful 24V2.5 battery and a convenient mechanical power-off handbrake, safety and fun go hand in hand. Whether it's a stroll in the park or a backyard adventure, this electric balance bike is the perfect companion for your child's outdoor exploration. So, what are you waiting for? Give your child the gift of endless fun and excitement with the new 250W24 V12-inch children no-pedal bicycle.